Hello viewers, in this video we are going to see that some of computers counts continuously. Even they are off, their clock counts continuously. Moreover, unnecessary data sharing and location as well as some other things would also be shared, which is one of the causes of sluggish speed of computer. So now on screen now, you will shortly see the computer clock even it count when it is off. Now press Ctrl Shift and Escape from your keyboard and go to Performance. In Performance we will see all these things. You can see in one area it's counting for the last 10 hours, on the other hand it's 9 minutes. So let's go and fix it. Start, Control Panel, and in Control Panel, Power Option, and in Power Option, choose what the power button do. Click on it. Change settings that are currently available. Click on it and turn off fast startup recommended. Tick mark, save changes, and your PC will now count from 0 every time it starts. And you must also restart your PC to that the setting may takes place. Now let's go for the second option, unnecessary data sharing, as well as some apps also share locations, etc. Start, Settings, and in Settings, Privacy and Security. Now go to General. Now of these 4 buttons mentioned above, so through this way your PC will not share unnecessary location or ads or irrelevant websites, and it will work perfectly. Now of this, go once again, Privacy and Security, Diagnostic and Feedback. Click on it, and now send optional diagnostic data. Off it. Through this way your PC will keep all the things personalized, or it will be safe from the other website to track you. Now let's go right click, Display Settings, and in Display Settings go to Graphics. So if you don't play games on your PC, it would be beneficial. Change default graphics settings. Now off this button, and through this way your PC will not face the burden of extra graphics which you never use. So restart your PC and avoid slow pace of the system. Thanks for watching.